Yep, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Fashion and Blasting. Let's start this video off a little different today. I just want to say Happy New Year's to all y'all, and thank y'all if this y'all first time or y'all been here before, but thanks for tapping in with me, man. I'm highly blessed and favored. I just want to say I got a couple goals this year. Hopefully I want to get this Fashion and Blasting up to 10K subscribers this year. So that's one of my goals. Also, I got a new cooking channel I want y'all to follow if y'all fuck with me. You know how we do. Always good food, good recipes, good tips and tricks on that. But that's called The Scrap Chef. Put a link down below in the comments. But today, let's get into my first Benchmade of this year. So with this Benchmade station knife, this is not a true unboxing. Like I said earlier in the video, I started a new cooking channel and I've been using this knife. But I'm going to play it and fake it off for you guys to act like I'm opening it up right now. So that's what it come with. This is a custom. This is my first Benchmade custom knife. And it comes with this American-made cutlery designed for adventures. Toss that. And you can get it in all different flavors with this. It also comes with this sheath. I was seeing other people, they were having problems with this sheath not retaining. But as you can see, mine is good. It has some good retention into it. Now, the different things you could do with this knife is a lot of different things. But I opted mine to be murdered out. Is all black, as you can see right here. But the things that you could change is the scales first. So you can get either G10, which these are black G10. You can get carbon fiber, and they also have rich light for the scales. The bolster you can change and have different colors. Like they had black, blue. I was actually going back and forth with myself, determining do I want blue and black on this knife. But me and my brother, my nephew, said I should just go with the all murdered out black one. So they got a pivot pin. This pivot ring, I meant to say, this pivot ring you could do different colors as well. They had blue, yellow, and I just decided to have it black. Also on this, you can change the different blades and the finishes of the blades as well. So the one I got is an upgrade. I think it was an extra $100 and something to get this done. But it's CPM 154 and it's a stainless steel. I had this steel on one of my first Benchmades, which was the Griptilian. So I'm familiar with this steel. I actually like it quite a bit. It's not as new, as famous as you would say the Crewwear, or if you got a Magna Cut or S30V, but it's a good steel here. I've been using this just for cutting. It cuts, it's razor sharp. It has a very nice, they call it the select edge. I think it's 14 degree on both sides. So it's razor sharp for this knife. I'll show you guys me cutting a couple of things with this so you can see how sharp this is. But this is my new knife from Benchmade. This is the Benchmade station knife. I have other knives for cooking as well, but this is my one and do all knife. You can also use this for outdooring as well. But as y'all know, stay safe. Thanks for coming to see this video, and by stay safe, stay dangerous.
Follow my dad's page. Like, comment, and subscribe.